Holidays. We got Captain Santiago steering the ship at the far end. Located here at the top deck all the way towards the back. Underneath that last bench, we have 130 life jackets for the adults and kids. Downstairs in the main cabin on the left side and port side is adorable life jackets too. The heads, the restrooms, toilets located for you down the stairs in the back first deck. For ladies and gentlemen at the bar, daiquiris, pina coladas, margaritas, mixed drink, snacks, beer, wine, water, soda, juices. Johnny is more than happy to take care. Buenas tardes, damas y caballeros, bienvenidos a bordo del Lion Queen. Mi nombre es Capitán Santiago, damos la cordial bienvenida. Nos acompaña el doctor Johnny aquí en el bar. Mi nombre es Chris. Chaleco de salvavidas para ustedes localizados en la parte de atrás, abajo de la última banca. Hay 130 chalecos de salvavidas para adultos como niños. En la cabina principal, sobre la mano izquierda, hay una puerta que dice Life Jackets en inglés. Los baños en la parte de atrás, en el primer piso para damas como caballeros. En el bar hay daiquiris, piñas coladas, margaritas, gaseosas, agua, cerveza, vinos, alguna cosa para comer. Johnny con mucho gusto los va a atender. Vamos a abrir las casas de los famosos, el puerto de Miami, Miami Beach, la Isla Fisher y el downtown de Miami. Bienvenidos a bordo nuevamente. Folks, I'm going to start to your right. The port of Miami is here. The port is the largest of the artificial islands in the bay. It's also known as cruise capital of the world. Over 20 different cruise ships call the port of Miami home. Ships from Royal Caribbean, Carnival Cruise Lines, Bernard, Norwegian, Celebrity, Costa, Mediterranean ships and Disney boats. They offer you trips from 1, 3, 5, 7, 14-day long cruises throughout Central, South America, Cozumel, Mexico, and all the Caribbean islands. 6 million passengers came to the port of Miami last year just to get on cruise ships. Over to your left, the huge white circular building close to the White Bridge I showed you earlier, the Venetian Causeway. The islands have Italian names like the canals in Mississippi, San Marco, San Marino, Rivo Alto, Bella, Vizcaya del Lido. All to your left, ahí están viendo ya las iluminaciones de la conectada para el dome on the rooftop. Inside that dome is a jacuzzi that belongs to Puerto Rican sensation Ricky Martin. The dome that enjoys the ladies with a company called Lenard Home Builders. He's a contractor. He builds and designs houses. His home has 12 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, and you saw it in many episodes of a TV show called Dexter a few years ago. La Casa Blanca de Chorro. It's an $80 million house. His name is Robert Vera. Robert Vera owns a company called Wikiti Communications, which is a global communication company. He also owns the basketball team in Memphis, Tennessee, the Grizzlies.